it's Jenny. Welcome back for some more kitchen fun. We're in the kitchen. This time we're going to be doing a cooking video. It's a vegetarian style dish for you, those of you who have been asking for some vegetarian meal ideas. Today we're going to be making chili mushrooms. Before we jump into the video, you guys gotta hit the subscribe button and the bell notification button as well. The bell notification button just simply notifies you every time I post a video, so you don't miss out. You get to check out the video and you get to share with all your friends and your family. So let's jump into this chili mushroom video now. These are the ingredients we're going to be using in this chili mushrooms recipe. So I've got these fresh mushrooms. You can get them at the supermarket. I'm going to be using some all-purpose flour, some cornstarch, sesame oil, onion, sweet pepper, pimento, garlic. I don't have ginger, but you can use ginger in this as well. Some chive, tomato paste, salt, ground chili, chili flakes, garlic powder, some black pepper, and some oil to fry and cook. It's that simple, it's that easy, and it's a delicious appetizer. It's a two-step process. So the first thing we're going to be doing is frying the mushrooms. So let's work on getting the mushrooms all coated up. We're going to be combining the flour with the cornstarch, some of our dried seasoning, and we're just going to fry them. And then we're going to be making a little sauce, and we're just going to be adding it to the pan. So let's just start by talking about the mushrooms, because I know a lot of you will ask, and you have been asking in some of my previous recipes or videos that I would have done using mushrooms, how does I go about cleaning the mushrooms? Well, sometimes what I will do is just dampen a paper towel and I will just wipe it, or you can just give it a quick, like literally just under the water, and then just use the paper towel and wipe off any of the impurities on it. So you can do it either way. We'll just do the damp paper towel one, and we'll wipe them off, and then we're just going to cut them in half, or in this big case in smaller pieces. So you want them like, you know, bite size, because it is like an appetizer we're going to be making here. So it's just like this. Just take a towel and just paper towel and just wipe it off. So once I've got them all cleaned up, I am just going to cut them into smaller pieces. Now that they are all chopped up, next thing we're going to be doing is just making the batter for it that we're going to be coating it with. So I've got some flour. I'm going to be adding some cornstarch. So this is about a cup of flour, but of course depending on the amount of mushrooms that you're using, you're going to be needing more or less. Got about 2 teaspoons of the cornstarch. Now because this is a chili mushroom, I'm adding some of the ground chili, so it might be a little spicy, so of course you can adjust accordingly. I'm just going to mix this up, and all I'm going to be doing is adding some water to it. So we're going to get like a paste we're going to create. And while this is being prepared, I have my oil heating in a pot. So you're going to create a sort of a thick-ish batter. This actually smells really good. Just the batter alone, smelling the garlic in it. Just add a little more water. Great. And now all we're going to be doing is just adding our mushrooms, coating them, and then putting them into the oil. So this is just my fast way of doing it. Of course you can take your time and do individual, but it's not really necessary. So get it all nicely coated, and then we're just going to take each one out and just drop it into our oil. So I'm going to add them in, and you want to fry them properly so that inside the mushrooms cook. Try to drop them in individually so that they don't stick together when they're frying. So after a couple of minutes, once they're finished cooking, They're nice color. I'm just going to remove them and let them drain out a bit, and we're going to work on the second part of this video. Before we go further with the video, for you ladies who have been asking me about the super comfy tunics that I am almost always wearing in my videos, it's real simple. I'll post the link down below. You can purchase it on Amazon. The link down below in the description will take you directly to this item where you can purchase it. I simply get a small commission when you do go through that link. There's no extra fee, no extra charge to you. It's that simple. Just click on the link and you can go ahead and purchase it. So for the second part of the video, all we're going to be doing is just preparing our vegetables. So I'm just going to cut my onion into chunks. It's a pretty large onion. You probably don't even need all of this. And we're going to do the same thing for our sweet peppers. And next, what I'm going to do is just slice our pimento. So we got our sliced up pimentos. Pimento smells really hot actually. So if you have the hot pepper and you want to add it in, or you want to use the hot pepper in place of the pimento, or the chili peppers, ideally if you have the chili peppers, you can cut those as well. But I don't, so I'm using what I have. And then I'm just going to slice up the side that I have. This is really more for the garnish part at the end. So you can cut them smaller if you want, but I like seeing, I think it looks nice when it's like this size. So now it's just to put everything together. I think I'm just going to use the onion as it's already cut. So to get started, I've got some olive oil in my pot, and to this I am going to be adding my pimentos and garlic. Adding in some of my sesame oil. Next I'm adding in my onion and sweet peppers. My tomato paste goes in. Some water was added. You will keep your heat on low. Don't want things to start burning. I'm going to add some cornstarch to help thicken the sauce. In goes my fried mushrooms, my chili flakes. Now I'm going to add some salt because the sauce does not have salt in it, but you can taste it and adjust it accordingly. Turns out actually that the onions were just enough. Thought it was going to be too much, but just stir it up, let everything get coated nicely with the sauce. It smells so good. And really that's just about it. Alright guys, and this is what our chili mushrooms look like. Now to just finish it off, we're gonna add the chopped up side. And that is it, chili mushrooms. So we got the sweetness from the tomato paste, we've got the spice from the ground chili powder, and also from the chili flakes that we used in it, and the pimento as well. So if you have chili pepper, the actual chili peppers, go right ahead, use it. If you have chili paste, feel free to use it as well. But these are just, this was just done with the ingredients that I have here at home. It's pretty delicious. You guys definitely need to try it out. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoy that chili mushroom video. It's pretty simple, pretty quick, pretty easy, right? Delicious. Of course, you can go easy with the spiciness of the food. Of course, you can adjust it accordingly. You can also not do part 2 of it, which was in the pot with the tomato paste. You can actually leave it just fried and just add on some chili flakes set, and you can eat it with a nice dip. So you can either actually have this 2 ways, up to you. But this way is really nice. It's a nice sort of Asian dish, but I did not add the soy sauce like I would normally add it. I don't think that I have any, but I'll just still include it in the ingredients. It's not much that you need to add into it, and it just helps with the extra nice color. Without it though, it's absolutely delicious. So you can choose if you want to include it or not. But thanks so much for watching this. Be sure to try it out. Lovely vegetarian dish for you guys who want to get another vegetarian option. It's delicious. So as always, thanks so much for watching. Try it out, send me pictures, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you've ever had anything like it. It's quite popular in some Asian style restaurants, Asian Hakka, Indian style sort of cuisine. It's yummy, so try it out for sure. Thanks so much for watching as always, and I will see you guys in my next video.